Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use property display 1.3.3. Okay, as you can see, you can use this tool for create a 3D panel in your scene. Okay, for example, if I change this, you can see you have the lamp, strange, exposure, etc., etc. Normalize, angle, okay, and you can move this panel in your 3D scene or add on your active camera. Okay, move, resize, etc. Okay, you can add solidify in for the 3D view like this. Okay, let's start with a new object. In your asset browser, drag and drop, and now you have this. Okay, as you can see, you have a float value with factor, a angle value, boolean value, okay, plus the panel. All this is the same modifier. I just set different presets, okay. You have the panel here, okay, and we can start create the different property of the light. Okay. Okay. Alors, first thing to do, change the panel name. Name the panel light. Copy and paste. Okay. You can open and close the panel. Okay. Now, the first value, we can create this, the strange. Check what is the minimum value and the maximum, 0 and 10. Okay. For the strength, up. Copy this and set this in generate. Rename the property here strength, and you can remove the percent value, set the minimum value 0, the maximum value 10, and now you can see here you have the correct value. Okay, you can remove the factor, and you can see here you have the three type of value: float, boolean, angle. Okay. Okay, change the value here position with this, set to the center. Okay, and for the decimal you can set this. Okay, now you can copy and paste the this value. Copy, click, right click, copy as new driver, and now you can paste in this value. Bam, you have this. Okay, now you can create the exposure. exposure, the minimum value is -10 and 10 for the maximum. And you can see we have a factor value here. Okay. So you just have to duplicate this, rename this exposure, and push the string in the top part. When you move a value, you can see you have a snap. If you want, you can change the snap value here. And now you have this, for example, or this. So you can perfectly align your value. Okay. This, okay, string, okay. Now change the exposure value here. Exposure, okay. Pass the set first the negative value and the maximum value. Copy the value to new driver and paste in this property. And now you can enable the factor. Okay, now you have this. Okay, the next value is property is normalize, is a Boolean property. Okay, so you can copy as new driver, move this in the z-axis here, rename this normalize, and correct the pass the driver, okay, and rename this normalize. Normalize. Add a space here, okay, and if you want, you can modify the text size. Okay, and you can move in the axis yes, here in this position. Okay, now you can set the angle value. Minimum is 0 and maximum is this value. Copy. Okay, copy. You can use this for angle. If you go in Gen, you can see you have this angle. Okay, copy here, set the minimum to 0 and the maximum value. Okay, and you can add 1 for decimal. Now move this to the right position, like this. Okay. Now, if you check, if you modify your value here, you can see you have perfect synchronisation. Okay. Negative, maximum. Okay. Oh, switch to render to see the difference. Okay. Normalize, angle. Everything works perfectly. If you want, you can create this value, color value. Just copy before create the color value, correct the panel size. Okay, you can correct the panel size. Do this. Up. This the end value or the limit. Okay. The text position. Okay. Like like this. If you want, you can add solidify and round like this, and play here with the level of resolution. Okay, this is correct. Everything is good. Now, if you want to create the color value, you can just copy this, duplicate this, move this here, rename this color, and now you can use alors, first thing to do, move your value here. Okay, correct the panel, text 8 like this. Okay, rename this color. Okay, you can disable the value, and now you have this, the background. Okay, the background. You can go in this shading tab, and now you have this color. What you can do is just copy and paste the light color. Okay, in with driver RGB, copy this, copy as new driver, and background, paste, copy, background, paste, one last time, copy the blue value as new driver, and paste. Now, you can go back on the light. If you change this value now, you can see you have this. It's really nice. As you can see, you have this result. Up strange, the color. Okay. And if you jump in camera mode, you can send the panel on the camera. Open, close, move on the camera, resize here, change position, etc. You can navigate in 3D view. You can see you have this. Voila. You can use property display for any object in your set. If you want, you can recreate this. You can recreate for example, the color management, etc., etc. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Pro Display is on my Patreon. You can get the tool.